Hey guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam, and today we'll be unboxing the EK2150 Mercury Kiosk from Posiflex. I've got my box cutter, and I'm gonna jump right in. Right out of our box, looks like I've got a base right here. I'll lift it up. Quite heavy. I have a cord. Looks like I have some screws, a guide, and some media paper. Let me keep digging here, and I'll walk you through what else we've got in the box. All right, so looks like I've got the rest of my kiosk right here. All right, let me clear this all away and we'll keep going. The Posiflex Mercury has a 21-inch touchscreen and a built-in receipt printer. It's ready to deploy right out of the box with just 4 screws to install the base in a countertop configuration and just 8 screws for a floor stand unit. Kiosks are big news right now as everyone is looking for solutions to deal with rising labor costs. The Mercury Kiosk would be perfect for order entry and payment at a quick service restaurant, as a solution for retailers to offer their online products in-store, or to sell tickets at a venue. The Posiflex Mercury has a locking cabinet to prevent guests from accessing or tampering with the printer, USB ports, or critical connections to the payment device. By securing these components, the Mercury can be used in fully unattended environments without any data security issues. Mercury's modular design also allows you to add a floor stand to the base unit. Other peripherals include a 2D barcode scanner, a bracket for a payment device, or a status indicator to fit most self-service applications. As always, I wanted to thank the team at Posiflex for sending over this kiosk so that I could unbox it for you and showcase its features and benefits. Now, if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to your BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.